A little bit here, you know. We can sit here and wait for like 5-10 minutes, and if it doesn't...
Alright, that fucking wind is cold, dude. Wow.
Yeah, it's only getting worse.
Nobody has, nobody has, jackets on, and taxis are just circling the area.
I want my shit, but it's like coming down so bad out there that... You know?
Dude, yeah.
I still didn't want him to go today. They get him today.
Look at it. There's one running.
Yeah, an umbrella.
Yeah. Another one running. Taxi cab circling the area. Another one running.
My backpack. I brought my backpack.
Few people didn't bring sweaters or jackets. Yeah, your backpack would have been perfect, dude.
That would have, yeah.
Yeah.
And if you wrapped a bag in there.
Yeah. Step inside, dude, while I do this. Not for about another minute.
In here?
That way you're warm. No jacket. No sweater. Another one running. Oh, dude. Speaking of, look at the crowds. Look at the crowds waiting.
What? The crowd's waiting there?
Yeah, dude. For people to pick them up and shit. No jacket, look. Run, Forrest, run! Time to go.